Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review video of OneAI 2.0 review. Now this system, a similar system was out about a month ago, but this is the 2.0 version. This is a never seen before app. AI apps let you access the world's leading, most popular, first trending premium AIs without paying any monthly fee. It's a lifetime with zero monthly fees and no APIs required. Now this is definitely something you need, because AI is the most important development in internet history, or internet marketing history. This is the world's first cloud-based AI app, supercharges with the world's premium first trending AI apps in a single dashboard. So you'll be able to use some of the most trending, most popular apps without paying a monthly fee. We're talking about apps that make videos, that do text to word, everything you can think of for no monthly fee. Because if you were to have these apps build sophisticated face images, talking images, there's a myriad of things here you could do to work your business, to improve your business. This is a lot, folks. And it's only $14.95. When you click away from the page, it probably drops down about $2 or $3. This is a 30-day money-back guarantee, and this is the hottest thing going. This is selling like crazy right now, so get your copy before the price increases. Really, it's actually it sold over 2,000 copies, and I'm surprised the price has not increased already. So you check it out. If you click on the link below this video, you'll see that I have a demo that you can look at right now, and you can start using this like in the next 2 or 3 minutes if you decide to purchase this. This is Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank everybody watching my video, and make sure you click the link to watch the demo today. Okay, see you in the next video.